Alright. Let's fix some things real quick. Just get rid of you real quick. And let's go to the manager. Let's get you back. Just play the game for a bit. Oh, hello! It's good to see you. It's good to see you. I recognize you. I recognize you. Yeah, I think for today, I don't know. Did I finish my essay? It is due in how many days? I think in 2 days. And it is, I have my thesis. I got my thesis done. Aha. So it's basically done when you think about it like that, right? Oh no. It's so Jober for me. It's so fucking Jober. Oh god. Am I too loud, by the way? Too loud? Am I too quiet? I just want to double check. Yesn't? I'll take that as a yes. I'll take that as a yes. Let me get this a bit quieter. There we go. Maybe that's better. Yeah, I think for today with the game. Nah, that's fine. That's good to know. That's good to know. I think the plan for the game today is I really want to. I had an idea yesterday where I think like a falling block combo is gonna be. I'm not gonna say impossible, but extremely hard to design in this game, to the point where I think it's a lost cause. So my new theory is, what if there was a feature where there's like music a bit loud? Oh, okay. Quiet music. There we go. That should be better. I was thinking of a theory, a mechanic where, you know how Tetris rewards you for a couple of things? Like one of them would be the T-spin. Another one would be... Ooh. Another one would be the, what's it called, mechanic? The combo mechanic, where consecutive blocks are dropped that break lines, increase a multiplier, and that multiplier keeps increasing until you drop a block without breaking anything. And I realized, like, oh, that mechanic kind of fits perfectly into this game. Sadly, I can't have like the cascading kind of combos though, which I do like. But I think that would be easier to implement while still improving the game. And I'd still keep the feel of the game, you know? So the idea is that you'd have to do the combo wombo. And I'm guessing it'd be like 4 blocks or something like that. So every consecutive, what's it called, break you make with 4 or more blocks increases a multiplier. And that just keeps going until you do one and it whiffs. Should it be 4? Maybe 3. I don't think it should be 1. The problem with 1 is that that's too easy, right? Maybe it's, I guess by that definition it should be 2, I mean, not 3. Because I'm including the what's it called, which I should not. That's the first thing I want to do today. Second thing, I have a leniency. If you notice, I can sink into the floor a little. It's because I have this leniency feature, and that paired with the other feature is causing some issues. Where like my feet can sink into the floor sometimes and I get stuck there. So I'm gonna have to make it so that if that happens, the game starts to like push me out. Something like that, I'm not sure. So that'll break my combo, hypothetically. I think if I'm doing this, I want to adjust it so that the block spawning is... Oh, seems like a good idea. Have you decided on the bomb blocks? You mean the alternate blocks that kind of just break up the game? I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Yeah. I don't know how it's going to look exactly, though. But I do want that. It's a cool feature. I do want that. Just like a rare spawn that helps you make comebacks. I think that would go well if I paired that with what feature? The bomb blocks? Should I just call them POW blocks again? I don't know. The bomb blocks spawning less frequently, I think. That was yell. Am I fucking colorblind? I shouldn't swear. Don't swear. No swearing. Swearing bad. Swearing bad. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, am I colorblind? Oh, whoopsies. How am I doing this? Like that? Oh my god. Dude, I'm scared. I'm so scared of swearing. Like last stream, it was like I was performing. I had the most viewers I've ever had, right? I start swearing like a couple times and my viewers just plummet. Like people just start leaving. It was so bad. It was so bad. It was actually so bad. I'm never swearing again, dude. I'm never swearing again. Oh my god. It was so bad. Dude, I was traumatized. it was so instant too. Maybe it was a coincidence, but like it was like the frame I started swearing. Are you sure it wasn't because of tier? Of the coding? You mean? What do you mean by text? It might have been because I started coding. I don't think it was because I was coding. It might have been because I was coding. I'm not sure. I just know at first I wasn't swearing and it was way better. And then I started swearing and it got really bad. Oh, that feels really good. I like that. I like that a lot. Give me that. Nice. Not fast enough. I want the bombs to fall slower. I want the bombs to fall slower. I want more time to catch them. That's another thing I want. In general, I kind of just want the game to slow down a bit. Like a bit, and then have some other feature that rewards like high skill play, right? Other than the game just being fast. I'm so bad. I tried. See there, I would have lost my combo just because there's only 2 purples on the screen. Which I think is bad. Maybe the combo feature could be like... I don't know how the combo feature would work. Maybe a whiffed block doesn't break the combo, but a block that... also easy to implement multiplayer co-op on Game Maker 2. They experimented with like this rollback feature where you could just make games with rollback. I remember that, and I remember it being bad. But I know it exists, so it's maybe it's better than I think it is. But I just remember it not being good. Where like you could have built-in multiplayer on any game that was in Game Maker, but like it just doesn't work. It just doesn't. I haven't heard of it. You know, they haven't talked about it in a long time. Maybe it's good. But I've also never seen a game actually use it, so I assume it's bad. I assume it's just bad. But maybe it's underrated or something. Who knows? Hard to say. Hard to say. I'm thinking, okay, what if the speed in which the block spawn increases with your combo count until it reaches a cap? Or when you make a break, a new bomb spawns instantly and you have like like a bonus bomb a bonus bomb spawns, and you have to like instantly use it to get a break of 4 or more, and if you do, you get another bonus bomb, and that repeats, and you get a multiplier that increases until you drop the chain, right? I'm just saying words. None of these words mean anything. What am I making today? I'm mostly just fixing bugs. I'm mostly just, there's like one bug I want to fix. Mostly just like I'm at the stage where like the core of the game is done. I just have to do all the busy work, which you gotta do, right? You just gotta do it. You just gotta do it. No other way. No other option. I'm thinking I do want that high skill, like I think the current experience is too flat, right? If I were to what's it called? To label out, I guess, not label out, graph out the pacing of the game. I don't think the game has any like particular high moments, which I don't like. I mean, there is one where you have like a big, I need to settle on a word for this. Just cluster. You have a big cluster, and you wanna proc them all, right? Essay's still on the list because the essay's not done, but it's gonna be done. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm not gonna fail the class. I'm not gonna fail. It's okay. I'll finish the essay later. It's due in 2 days. I got time. It's due in 2 days. Don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm not procrastinating on it. I do better when it's closer to the deadline. Obviously, everyone does that. So I'm just give me some time, man. Just give me some time for my essay. Just need some time, man. But yeah, I think lower overall. Okay, so the first mechanics I want to try is lower overall POW block spawn rate paired with the consecutive break mechanic, where consecutive breaks will spawn new bombs instantly, and then you want to pair that with not pair that, you want to try to break them back to back to back to back. That's the first feature I want to do. Second feature is I don't know. What was it again? I don't remember. What was the other feature? It was the consecutive break mechanic. That's the main one I want. Yeah, I think that's it. Just the consecutive break mechanic. So the idea is that if I'm in that... Oh yeah, I think I was just talking about pacing. Yeah, I was talking about the pacing of the game. No, the pacing's not good. Or I don't think it's bad per se, it's just not amazing. Why'd I do that? Ugh, I don't like how my feet are getting stuck in the floor. It feels weird. This. I tried something cool. It didn't work. After that, I think I'm done. I mean, I've said I think I'm done for the past how many streams now? Ever try breakable blocks as fatigue mechanic? I remember, was it you that talked about that? I think it was. I'm down for that. Something more visible than just the blocks spawning slightly faster. That would be nice. That would be nice. I do like the pressure of that. Where it's like, that is terrifying, you know what I mean? That is terrifying. Which I do like. I'll probably... It's just like, the reason I haven't done it is because like, it's easier to just like make the blocks spawn faster. But yeah, I'd be down for something like that. That is cool. I really want to get that, because I think the number one issue with this game is the pacing. The pacing is very... The pacing being flat, I think, is really bad for the genre, I think. And I only really realized that recently. But I do think it is, like, the number one issue with the game. Mm-hmm. Dun, 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 bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. That stings. That stings. That sucks. Do you ever try? Just want to like, I don't want to miss people's messages. I know like when I'm watching streams and someone misses the message I say, I always feel bad. So I don't want to do that to people, you know? Never want to do that to people. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, if I pair the combo mechanic, I think consecutive colors can't spawn anymore. Because right now it uses the bag system that Tetris uses, where it puts all 4 colors in a bag, picks them out. So you'll always see one copy of every color before you see your third copy of the same color, you know? But that does mean you can get 2 colors in a row, but that can screw you over, which I don't like. Which a little awkward, but I think I'll figure it out. Give me that. Thank you. No, I needed that. I needed that. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Hey. You know what this is something I've been obsessed with recently. I have been trying to figure out how to convert, like if there's an API to convert YouTube chat to Game Maker. Cause I was watching Doug's, some of his videos about like the Minecraft stuff, where if you spell a word, it appears in game. And like mechanically, I love that. I love like the massive co-op kind of thing he's doing with his streams. I just think it's so cool. Roblox Studio, there's a #1 ops always crashes after testing a plugin. My #1 opponent, yeah. Plugins are weird because they're not like official, so they're always a little jank. Oh come on! No, I missed another one. Yeah, I really want to see if there's a Game Maker plugin that lets you connect to stream chats. Otherwise, I think I need to make something that like a Python file that reads the chat, puts that information into a JSON file, and then Game Maker can read JSON files. Because I don't know what JSON. Immediately thought of the heavy rain meme thing. So I think I'm gonna try that out. Like JSON file into Game Maker. Oh, in Python JSON file Game Maker off the JSON file, something like that. I'm not sure if that's what Doug does, but I feel like what he does is probably similar to that. Because even if there was a plugin that connected Game Maker to what's it called, to YouTube or stream chats, I feel like that's just what it's doing, right? Like I don't see it doing anything else. I don't see any other process to connect YouTube chat to a coding software. So I'm really excited to see if I can pull that off. 28 viewers? Guess what I didn't do, my guy? Guess what I didn't do? Haha, you see? The power of not saying bad words and instantly griefing half my viewer retention. I'm still dude, it's living. That's been living rent free in my head forever. Like I was up at night thinking about that. Like, is it that bad? Like I knew, like they transcribe what I'm saying, and they monitor what I'm saying in YouTube, right? But like I swore once. I said one bad word, and then half my chat disappears after like a minute. It was so bad. Oh my god, they like nuked me out of existence. Oh my god. Oh, I'm traumatized, man. I'm traumatized. Yeah, it's good to know that people like watching this game, because that was something that was really important to me. I like that feeling of community people have over, not feeling a community, you know what I mean. I like games that are fun to look at, I guess, because I feel like that's just, it's nice. It's nice. I wish I could articulate that more than other than satisfying game makes brain happy, but satisfying game do make brain happy, dude. My brain do be happy right now. Dun-dun. Am I gonna lose? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. I still think that it was because the code. It was probably more so because of coding, because people just don't like watching people code. Which is why like development of this game is slowed down. Just because like I'm trying to figure out how to code the game in a way that is visually appealing to people, and I cannot figure it out. It's so hard. Like I think the moment I start actually coding, people just dip. Which I understand. Like people watch streams for entertainment. It's not entertaining. End of question, right? So it's not like their fault or anything. But it's an interesting puzzle I'm trying to figure out. It's a really interesting puzzle of how do I make something that is, to be frank, really boring to look at, fun to look at. Maybe Twitch plays, Twitch plays Pokemon. Could I do Twitch does coding? Where I let you guys code, I let you guys input code, but like one line at a time. So that way you guys can't like immediately like install malware on my computer. Oh my god, you guys would open the console. No, that's a problem. If I gave you guys control of my mouse and whatever, you guys would open the goddamn console and then like immediately install malware. Some psychopath would do that. Oh, Twitch does coding? It would be funny though. That would be so funny. That would be funny. Dun, 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 dun. Like Dr. Dust's coding stream still has a lot of viewers. Maybe I'll study those. I haven't seen his coding streams. That's interesting. Thank you. I did not know he streamed those. Oh, I'll keep that in mind. I'll see what he does. Because I assume his coding streams still aren't like as good as his normal streams, but if he can find ways to make it like less bad, that'd be really nice. That would be really nice. I really do wanna... This is the puzzle. Like this is the puzzle. Like if I'm gonna stream game dev, I need to figure out how to make it look not unappealing. Which is the issue. It's not like which is the issue I need to figure out. Which is the problem. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Oh my god. Okay, can I know the average person doesn't know much about Guilty Gear Strive, but I've been playing since launch and I love the game. Dude! They released a trailer for Venom yesterday. He looks so fun. Oh my god. My boy. You got RoboKai next to him? Oh my god, that's my boy. He's so cool. Did I write my essay? I'll get to it in a second. Okay, this is really... It's just an essay, man. I got 2 days. I got 2 days. Nothing on May. Dude, May? After they reworked her? in season 4, not season 4, season 3-ish. But like they made more changes to her, and I really like Mei. I think at launch, Mei was debatably the worst designed character. But as they patch the game more and more, she's like one of the better designed characters. She's really interesting. I like her a lot. Oh my god. Launch Mei was boring though, because like you would do Totsu, and if the enemy had an answer to Totsu, you lost the matchup. Otherwise, you won the matchup because you could just do Totsu over and over again, and unironically, some characters couldn't deal with that. And that was about it. That was purple. I'm colorblind. That's okay though. Ain't got nothing on Totsu though. Dude, the new stuff with Mei, I kind of want to show you. Tanner. The new stuff they did with Mei. Oh my god. She's like she's more set play now, where like you want to knock people down, you want to like get your advantage, and then to keep your advantage with mix-ups, right? Kind of like Mei or Amelia, I mean. And like she's so fun. She's so fun. That was awful. Okay, I'm about to lose the game now. Oh, it's sped up. It's sped up a lot. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. This is really bad. Oh no. Oh no. Nice. Oh, it's speeding up. My issue with the speed up though is you don't really notice the speed up because of how gradual it is. I really want increments. Fuck! Oh, I didn't do that. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I said fudge, my favorite dessert. Be that guy with 12 hours on their essay. Oh, the fatigue system do be working. It do be working. All right, I didn't beat my high score. Let's go again. Let's go again. A. Give me that. A. Give me that. Drop 33. No, I didn't say it. I didn't say it. No, I didn't swear. I didn't swear. No. It's different. I am just talking about my favorite confectionery dessert. I don't know what confectionery means. That's how I use that word, right? That's how you use that word, right? Confection. I'm just talking about my favorite dessert, dude. Fudge. 25 now? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, whatever. That's okay. That's okay. It's just a number. But yeah, I think I'm interested in what other a part of me with the game wants to add all the features, make it super big and polished. Another part of me is like, I know games like these should kind of just be small. And I think that is the route. Just like finish the game, make something nice, make something cool, move on with my life. You know what I mean? Ugh, that feels weird. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. That felt weird. Like I tried to do the wall jump grab thing, where you like wall jump and then grab the block you're wall jumping off of. But if I'm too slow on that, it just doesn't grab because it's too fast. But the issue with that is like my gut as a game designer always wants to increase the frame windows on those to make it smoother, make it more consistent, which always feels good. But I've been running into issues with that style of design where I feel like it's causing issues where once everything is relatively low execution, I don't have ways to like test the player. You know what I mean? Max speed. You only get 2 bombs per row. Yeah, the math gets kind of weird there. That's what I like about the combo system, where it makes the bomb spawning fluid, so you can make up for the faster fatigue system, the faster spawning, by getting a high combo, right? I think that's one thing I find really appealing about it. Something like that. I don't know. Because the idea is that even if you have less bombs to work with per row, at least you can always destroy more blocks per bomb, right? So it's more about like you need to optimize each bomb more. But I think in practice, you just don't have time to do that, which I kind of don't like. I feel like the game is good with extra range and stuff. Yes, that is true. I think though is that like I can accomplish good game feel. I can make the game feel good always. That is just like the skill I have. But in exchange, I've been running into issues where if everything feels good and clean, you like, how do I make something hard for the player if there's no friction? Friction, it's like storytelling, right? But if there's no friction, no story. The story is just the player tried something, it worked out first try. So it's like there needs to be friction, but it's hard to figure out where exactly the friction should go. I think a lot of times I'll make speed games, but I think that's a crutch because in a speed game, the friction is just yourself. How fast you can physically go, which is really easy to design around relative to like an experience. Whereas that like set experience has a preset friction, I guess. I'm going into like deep game dev theory at this point, and I honestly don't know what the hell I'm saying. I'm kind of just saying things, but like I feel like there's no vernacular and not that much like readings for game dev stuff. So it kind of has to be like this, which is annoying, but whatever. But you guys are trying to get what I'm conveying, right? Like, friction is the game. And here I am. Oh, hello. I know you. Pim Studios? I've recognized your icon. But hello. But yeah, so that's the thing. Friction is the game in the most literal sense. And by making the game feel better, yes, I improve the game feel, which I do think is very important and underrated. But in exchange, here I was watching as much as I could on the train. You're on a train? Dude, I love trains. We don't have trains in Canada. We don't really have a good train system here in Canada, and it makes me sad. Yeah, friction is the game. Friction as in things that impede what the player wants to do. Most friction bad, most games have too much friction. But personally for me, when I try to optimize for game feel, I think I'm taking away too much friction and I have too little now, which is a problem I don't really see in small games, but I think I'm running into. But that's like some like deep theory stuff, which it might not even be true. How the game works, just like game theory, I guess. Ugh. Would I write a paper on this when I'm old and my bones are Hey. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. I want more vertical mobility in this game. There's some, but it takes a hot sec and it's kind of hard. Because if the thing's too high, I can always down throw a block to double jump, right? But in exchange, I kind of grease my stack, and it just puts random blocks in the middle of nowhere, which I don't like. Oh. Am I working on the game or just playing it? A little bit of both. I feel like you need to play the game to like know what to do, right? But also, I just like playing the game. It's fun, okay? It's fun. The game is fun, okay? I'm enjoying myself. I know what you mean, though, where I'm just spending all this time playing the game, not working on it. But I am working on it, but I'm kind of not at the same time. I know what you mean. Write an essay on game theory? I wish. If only I didn't despise writing essays. It's fine. Oh, that's good to know. Thank you. I appreciate that. Bong, 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 bong. I do want to get more songs in my game OST extended playlist. I made this for streaming, and I've realized that there's not enough songs in it. I've listened to the WarioWare Do-It-Yourself soundtrack like a dozen times so far. Or I mean, I know how long I've been doing it. I've been doing it for 22 hours straight, non-stop. That's alright. Force grab the bomb like in Spider Hack to give the spawn if it spawns too high. I'll look into that. That's interesting. Ooh, force grab the spawn. Force grab the bomb like in Spider Hack. So are you talking about like if the bomb spawns too close to me, I'll just grab it instantly? Like it'll just spawn in my hands? Is that how that works? Is that how that works? So it just spawns in my hand instead? Oh, it just spawns in my hand in general, right? That could work, honestly. Because spawning the bomb in the middle was kind of just like the intuitive route, right? That was just like intuitively what I thought the game should work like. But I haven't really addressed it since. And I do think it's one of those features that's like, could use work. That's okay. I do think it's one of the features that could use work. It's too far, you can pull it towards. Oh, interesting. What the heck? Maybe you could hover over the player until it drops. I'll be honest, the theory I had a couple nights ago was, not theory, but like the idea I had a couple theories. English. The idea I had a couple nights ago was, do you know the Mario, what's it called, blocks? The winged ones that float around? I think it maybe could work like that. I don't know if that's a good idea though. I kind of like that block though. I always like that block. Because it floats up and down, it will always be at different heights. But I think spawning in front of the player could work. That's a pretty simple solution, which I like. I think pulling towards the player is interesting too. Because it's still, I like, that's the thing, friction is the game. And I'm trying to remove the friction of, oh, the block just spawns in the most convenient place. But should it? Should it? That removes friction. Friction is the game. You know what I mean? You guys see what I'm saying, right? Have you played Spider Hack? I've not played Spider Hack, but I've heard of it. I think I've seen it. Yes. So friction is the game, and here I am, removing friction, therefore, removing game. No friction, no game. I need to figure this out as a designer. You have the Konami code to have the bomb teleport towards you. Oh my god. I'll be real. I know the Konami code is like a gaming thing, but like, I have not played Contra. No, I played Contra. I played Contra like decades ago. Back on my CRT when those were a thing. When my bones were made of I'm so old. I'm so old. I don't know. I don't have nostalgia for the Konami code, to be honest, though. Even though I do think it's cool. Overthinking? Maybe a little. But to be frank with you, probably not. That's kind of just how game dev works. You really do have to spend this much time thinking about things to get it polished. To be frank. You kind of do. I do get what you mean. Where like the game is pretty good now. I'll probably just send it as is, but still, you gotta think about the game, man. That's how you make good. That's how you make good stuff. The details are important. The theory, the details. Yeah. I get what you mean though. I think I do overthink things sometimes actually, but not as much as even I think. Give me that. Thank you. Last night you finished the essay? Guess who didn't? Guess who didn't finish their essay? Oh no, I'm so screwed. I'm so screwed. Oh, it's so Jover. It's so Jover. Dude, my essay, it's not a long essay, but I'm like, I failed English class. Like, I'm not good at writing. I failed English class when I was in middle school. So like historically, I was always a bad. Okay, if coding does bad, I think essays would like grief would like be like the worst stream I could possibly do. I feel like I'd have 0 viewers. Oh god. Cause like with coding, the viewers are bored because they don't like looking at words. With essay, not only are the viewers bored, but I'm bored because I don't want to write the essay either. So it's like double boring. Do it on Twitch so it doesn't impact YouTube? Oh, you're right. Dude, I don't like using Twitch, I'll be real. I think Twitch, I don't understand why people like watching streams on Twitch. Is that just me? I feel like every time I go on Twitch, it gives me 30 seconds of ads, and then I finally get to watch the guy, and the guy's on break, and I'm just sad. I'm like, why did I watch those ads? Just to watch a guy do literally nothing as he goes to the bathroom. I don't know. I don't like Twitch. I don't like watching Twitch streams. Yeah, I am biased though. Am I? I think I'm weird. I watch VODs. I think that makes me weird. Because personally, when I watch streams, I'm dead silent. I never talk. I never interact with the streamer. I am just dead silent. I'm in my zone. I'm watching my VTubers. I'm watching my VTubers. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. YouTube streaming, it's much easier. Yeah, YouTube streaming, like people dug on it, and I think it is justified because I think it doesn't have a lot of the features that Twitch does, but like I think it's just better, man. I think the overall experience is better. Twitch sucks. I don't like Twitch. I'm trying to read through all of the watching VODs too. That's good to know. What even is Among Us wires? Okay, you know, this is not a long story, but I feel like it's a long story. You know the Among Us wires in Among Us, and how they're colorblind friendly now because they have the symbols on them and not just the colors. And at launch they didn't have that. It's that. I need to add that. I need to add the symbols for colorblind people. What's the next? Block rounding? Oh god, block rounding. Block rounding is like a nightmare thing to program, so I am procrastinating on it. Because I know it's gonna be hard, but it needs to be in the game. But it's gonna be so hard. But I'm procrastinating on it. Give me that. Thank you. Right, so shapes. Like, what else would I call it? It's the Among Us wires. Everyone knows that. It's the YouTube streaming is such a smooth process? Yeah. The block rounding your essay? I have time, okay? My essay's due in 2 days. I have so much time. Dude, like, I've done essays with less time. I'm just saying, I've done essays with more words with less time on the clock. Like, that's when I do my best work. So, honestly, if anything, procrastinating is optimal. Because if I did it earlier, then I'd write worse. Because I write better when there's less time. Everyone knows that. So when you really think about it, you guys egging me on to do my essay is actually making me worse as a writer. And is actually like encouraging me to fail, and it's kind of toxic, to be honest. 2 days is age. I have so much time, dude. I have so much time on my essay. So much time. Oh my god. Give me that. Nice. I have no blues. Learn how not to procrastinate. It's encouraging. But I do my best work when I'm procrastinating, so I should procrastinate more. Okay, so block combo system. You make a break and then a timer starts ticking down. You get extra time upon breaking a new block, more time per block broken. You're encouraged during the timer countdown, blocks spawn instantly or bombs spawn faster, I think, based on how high the combo is. On game by working on other ones and vice versa. I'm working on 3 games right now. I'm literally doing that. Like Polywog, I still need to implement like what do I have to implement for Polywog? I have to implement like a menu system for selecting your hats, and I just have not been doing. I'm lazy. I'm so goddamn lazy. I hate doing menu stuff too. Give me that. That was bad. That was bad. That was bad. That was bad. I'm too lazy. It's getting faster. It's getting faster. It's getting hard to concentrate. Oh, it's getting faster. It's getting faster. I'm not even close to my high score though. I'm not breaking my high score, dude. It's Jover. I'm locked. Dude, fatigue system's kicking in. I have no time. I actually have no time to read. I had to... Okay. Taking a break. I'm pausing. Pause the thing. Pause. Okay. I'm reading the chat. Finish essay for tomorrow. Sounds good. Day 2 of watching your live stream. Bros locked in. All right, deal Axel. Pause. Okay, I read the chat. I need time to read. Dude, I think it's like my one issue with the fatigue system. Is that for streaming the game, I cannot read chat during high fatigue. Like I actually have no time. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh, I didn't say that. There's no purples. Give me something! I need to make more breaks with less blocks. I can never miss any of them. I tried to grab that. Oh no. It's over. That's bad. Oh, that's bad. I lost. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Ah! Well, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Give me a purple! No! Dude, where's my purple? Higher fatigue? They literally don't. My idea was that they shouldn't because the game would scale harder like that, right? Is that a good idea? I don't know. I don't know. All right. All right. Time to implement the combo system. Create. Yeah, I'm not beating that high score. All right, I'm giving up on beating that high score. I'm just making the new system. Dude, how did I do that? 488? I wasn't even close. And I was at max fatigue, I think. Combo equals 0. No, just combo equals 0. Okay, how does it work? Let's go through that. I'll do that while playing the game so you guys can have something to watch. As I do a break, I need to detect how many things were in that break, right? If the number of things in the break would be bomb so slowly, it would be impossible to even try. Yeah, that's why the fatigue maxes out. But I'm hoping with the combo system I can fix that issue. So as I break, and the break is over the thing, increase combo count by 1. Bomb scaling, a bomb spawn rate scales with combo counts. What else spawns with combo counts? The combo depletion timer also scales with combo counts. Your combo is broken upon a bomb exploding and the bomb explosion count not being high enough or not being greater than 4? Is that how that works? Or just any break adds to the combo timer, and breaks of higher amounts and breaks of 1 do basically 0, right? I will add lime bombs. Lime bombs are one of those things where like I feel like it's not an essential feature, but I do want it though because it's cool, and I just think it's nice to have something weird happen. It'd be easy to program too. No, this is the thing. This is the thing. My brain is like, oh, easy. I love dopamine. Let me pick the easy option. And then I do the easy thing, and then I never do the hard ones. I'm not putting that. My essay doesn't count. Stop. My essay doesn't count. Oh my god. And then I just keep adding easy features instead of the hard one. You need some UI for the combo thing? 100%. I think for fatigue, I can get away with it because it's not that bad. But the combo count needs UI. 100%. Do your essay. I'll do it later. Oh my god. It's not that bad. Oh my god. Whatever, dad. Gosh. Ugh. Can't tell me what to do, man. You're not my real dad. What's the essay even on? It's on the Lord of the Rings. It's one of those classes where like you read a book and then I have to do analytical stuff on it. It's not, yeah, I have an essay on Lord of the Rings. It's cool. I really liked it. Honestly, I was not I've never read or watched Lord of the Rings before that class. And dude, I had a great time reading it. It's a bit long though. The Fellowship is like, what, 500 pages? Which is a bit much, I think. But man, yeah, it's good. It's good fantasy. I had a good time. I never knew so many fantasy tropes started with Lord of the Rings. I thought, in my head, they kind of just always existed, you know? Like, I watch bad isekai anime, and I'm like, oh, elves. I know elves from fantasy. But like, no, it's from Lord of the Rings. It's crazy, right? I never knew that. You know, elf from fantasy. They were there since the dawn of time. I think elves were, but not dwarves, I think. I forgot which one Tolkien came up with. I know he came up with hobbits. And I think like the dynamic between elves and dwarves where they don't like each other, that's Lord of the Rings. That's from Tolkien. That's Tolkien. Yeah. Okay, back to combo count stuff. How does it work? I have no idea. I have no idea. I can't think straight. Yeah, combo count depletes. So we need the combo timer. We need... Oh, nut. Put halfling instead of hobbits. Halflings are copyright-free version of hobbits. Yeah. Halflings. I like the term halfling more though. I feel like halfling... I don't know why. Is that because of Dungeon Meshi? I think it's because of Dungeon Meshi. Just saw Dungeon Meshi was like, oh, halflings. Dude, that's my boy. Immediately forgets. I think when I stream, I get short-term memory, like really bad short-term memory loss. I'm not joking. Like this has happened so many times on stream where I just immediately forget what I'm saying or what I just said. It's kind of bad, but I don't mind too much. I think it's funny. I think it's funny. As long as it's funny, I feel like it's okay. A little bit of developer brain rot. So I need a combo timer. Combo count increases bomb falling speed. Bomb falling speed increases scales with it. So that way, but dropping a bomb and will always set your combo timer to 0 and just break your combo. So the idea is that you get more and more bombs to work with, but in exchange you have to use them or else you drop your combo. Do block rounding, otherwise probably never going to. I'll get to it. It's just boring. It's just boring is the issue. I'll get to it. It is just boring. I'll get to it. Alright. Let's do bomb stuff right now. Combo. I think this could fix the game. Or not fix, but like make way better. Way better. Combo timer, minus, step. Combo timer, minus, if, yeah, I should go here. If combo timer less than 0, combo count, combo equals 0. That's it. Yep. Making a break will increase the combo timer by the same amount as the... How do you check breaks? It's here, right? Check destroy? Yes. And temp mult is equal to 1. Temp score var should be the count of the amount of blocks destroyed, right? I think it just is. Okay. Yeah. So that means combo plus equals 1. Combo timer plus equals this thing? Is this how this should work? So combo is less about making big breaks and more about just making breaks. Alright, sure. Couldn't you just do combo plus plus? Yeah, yes I can, but it's like this now. What's the next thing I do? Oh yeah, pow timer. Where's pow timer? Step events, pow timer. Pow timer equals pow max. No. So as my combo goes up, pow max should decrease. What's pow max? Pow max is what? This is really bad practice. Don't make fun of me for doing this. Pow max is 180. So the minimum let's just not use pow max anymore. Okay, so it's 180, right? So min should probably be like 80 plus 100, but I want to increase so it should be like 100 min? No, it should be 80 min plus 140. I love guessing numbers. Divided by combo times 1 minus combo, 1 divided by combo, 1 divided by combo. What's 1 divided by combo? 1 divided by... No, that does nothing. Wait, this does literally nothing. This does literally nothing. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Remember, call each step only needs to call if greater than 0. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's cool. It's cool. 140. It should be min. It's not about being efficient. This game runs at like 5k FPS. I don't care. I just don't care about efficiency. I have so much to work with. So it should be 1 to 40 minus 10 times combo, maybe? So combo maxes out at 14? Maybe 5. Yeah. So my combo decreases by... So combo maxes out at... What's 140 divided by... Don't make fun of me for my math. 28? It's like more than 5k FPS. I'm at multiple thousand FPS. Like, I just don't care. I don't care. If you keep doing the game out 5 FPS max... I'm not joking. Just do the worst code you can possibly come up with. You like in 2D games, like none of my games run worse than like a couple thousand FPS. Like it just doesn't matter. It just doesn't. And I know I made that video about the what's it called? Bad coding practices I did, and then I added Bad Apple to the game. But Bad Apple is 3,000 frames of just pure lag, so it's different. Oh my god, that was so funny though. Like every time you went in the room with Bad Apple in it, the game would just freeze for like a couple seconds because it had to load the entirety of Bad Apple. That was so funny. I missed that. I kind of want to leave it in the game, but I can't. All right. So it should be 80, then like, I don't know, 80 plus what, 50? I don't know what I'm doing. This is combo. Has to be a very secret. Yes. And then you are combo timer. Why are these rounded? Is Tetris Suic again, basically? Yeah, a little bit. You guys want to see it? That kind of ruined my day. What did? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, it did? Wait, what did I say? Did I say something? Oh my god, I'm sorry. Do high score? Oh my god. Do high score? Maybe. I don't know. Okay, it's not working. This isn't working at all. Zephyrin, it's the code. Oh, the code. Dude, don't make fun of my code. It works, okay? My code works. That's all that matters. It's a platform. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Oh, wow, that does not feel fun to say. That's heckin' what I'm doing. Seems pretty cool. Thanks, man. Bum. Dun. Okay, how... You guys can see the numbers, right? Should they even go here? Let's do everything 20. Let's do y plus 50, y plus 100. Actually, let's lower it to 30. Let's do 60. Does that look better? Okay, this is ugly, but whatever, right? So as combo timer decreases, just set it to 0. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, why does this not work? Oh, it's min. Oh, it should be max. Whoopsies. In addition, if a falling block has POW, it should fall slower. And step. No, it shouldn't. Can you check my Discord to see my plugin? Are you gonna hack me? What do you mean by plugin? Check my Discord? Fox I can write? No, you're not the person that gave me code. That was bug. Oh. Dude, that's me! Dude, that's me for real, for real! Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna show this on stream. Dude! He looked just like me! He looked just like me for real, for real. Dude, I love it. This is awesome. What the heck is this thing? What the? Oh, this is kind of cursed. But I love this. Dude, that's sick! Okay, so I need to make it so create was thrown equals 0. When you get thrown, it equals 1. So if come on, stop lagging. Thank you, GameMaker. Is pow equals 0 or is thrown. Hello? Did I spell that wrong? Was thrown? I've never worded a variable like that. Thrown equals 0? Question mark? No. 1. Do normal falling speed. Otherwise, fall very slowly. VSP equals 0 points. 4? Yeah, probably. Okay, let's fix this now. If is thrown is always equal to 0. When the player throws a block, set it to 1. Yes. Player, where's toss? It's here, right? Toss stuff. Where's the guy? Where are you? Am I blind? Wait, what the hell? I said that. No. Held ID. Yeah. No. Oh yeah, it's here. Held ID. Is thrown equals 1. Next variable something is a Caesar cipher just to mess with future. Put a variable name as a Caesar's cipher. That's funny. I like that. Okay, now bombs should fall. What the heck? What the? Oh my god! What? Oh, block fall. Block fall has it? Does block is thrown man player? Uh-oh. Stinky. What the heck is held ID? Isn't held ID a falling block? Why aren't you a falling block? Equal 4? Do I actually? I am not that bad at, oh my god, I am that bad. Thank you. Dude, I'm trash. Dude, I'm trash. Oh my god, I suck. Thank you for the help. Toss stuff. Wait, what was the bug again? I should read the bugs I make instead of just like moving on like an idiot. Is thrown read-only variable? Is held is thrown equals 1. Yeah. Bro, set is thrown equal 1. Okay, wait. So it's changing his HSP and VSP, so I know it's a falling block. Ignore my code quality, focus on being a cool guy, leaving you stuff. Oh, thank you. 2. Code quality matters if it doesn't work. If it works, it's good. My code always works, except that one that didn't work. That's different. That doesn't count. Is thrown. Hello? Why doesn't this work? Is thrown. Not spelling, Lamau. Does the object I'm throwing not exist? Don't forget the wishlist Polybug on Steam. Dude, I hate doing that stuff. I actually hate doing that stuff so much, but like you gotta do it. Like you have to say what you want people to do out loud or else they don't do it, which is really annoying to be honest. But like you gotta, right? That's the name of the game. Oh, you see this? Set your held to nothing. Then I'm doing it with nothing. Oh, order Lamau. Okay, I fixed it. Order Order them out. It works. And it doesn't even fall that much slower. No, it falls way slower, but that's not enough. I want to go down to 0.2 maybe. Let's see. Fall. That's kind of slow. I kind of like that. Yeah, notice how they fall slower now? The is thrown back to 0 when it lands? I should, but when they land, they explode, so... It'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. It's accounted for, don't worry. I know what you mean, though. I accounted for that. If it leads to a bug, it'll tell me. You mean like if I have a stack like this, and then I pull one of them, right? They're falling at normal speed, I think. Ooh, I kind of don't like how that red is doing that. You guys see that? Ooh, I don't like that. How do I fix that? You guys see what I'm seeing, right? Wait, why is it just the middle one? Oh, it's not even consistent? Ooh. Ooh, that's kind of... Oh, I don't like that. It works when there's 3. Most of the time. Okay, plan? When you get sent into falling sand, based on how high you are, increase the amount of stun time. Yeah, it's after you throw it. Minecraft update order bug. Yeah. I think non-thrown blocks. Yeah, non-thrown blocks. Is it? If I had to guess, I think it's like an order thing, where the order in which the code runs is based off the order in which they're created, and that's leading to some jank. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh, I really don't like that. I really don't like that. Ugh! Dude, what the heck? Was this always here? It was, right? I think this bug was always here, right? Okay, I know how to fix this though. Ooh, I don't like that. Start fall. So, start fall timer is gonna have to scale with how high it is, right? How high it is relative to the thing that initiated the falling. Where is the thing that initiated the falling? That is the question. I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea. How do I do that? Putting a small delay, increasing the bottom. Yeah. You see the vision, right? You see the vision. Yeah. So where is the thing that initiated the fall? It's you, right? No, it's not even close. What am I saying? It should be in the player. It should be when I grab it. Is it with make hit? Make hit, instance create depth, OBJ hits. Hit 2. With block fall. With block. Haha! Oh, wait, what? Oh, I do know. Oh, hell yeah. Heck yeah. Great. I have to make a new variable. What's it called? Y block fall different y equals 0. I love variable names. Go to the hits. When you initiate the falling, set this thing to this number. Oh wait, that's literally this number, right? Yeah, it's equals to my y position minus... Okay, we're done. That's it. Yeah, that's literally it. Okay. Now block fall... what was the variable name again? They should fix it. OBJ block... start fall. plus this thing. Let's go down to like 6. Constant. Why? It's funny! It's funny. See, when I code bad, I do it on purpose. Because it's funny. Okay, it should fix it, right? No, it's doing the opposite. Wait, it is doing something though, right? You see how it scrunches together? Is that because the top is falling faster than the bottom? So should it be minus? So it should be like 10 now? Forgot about Y and X. Yeah, you see how it stretches out now? It does the opposite? Yeah, it's working! We got it, boys! Hey, that's sick! Oh, that's sick! Dude, I'm a good programmer. I'm not washed. I'm not washed. It's consistent now. W. Yeah. Oh god, I'm gonna have to do block rounding eventually. I don't want to. It's so hard. It's gonna be so hard. It's gonna be so goddamn hard. I know it will. Bum bum. That feels good. I like that. How does it feel when I dig? Block rounding? Okay, let's say I grab this green and I throw it down here. Notice how it rounds to the nearest actual tile. Gosh darn hard, I do mean that. Notice how it rounds to the nearest tile. What I want the block to do is, in this situation, I want the block to check both possibilities and to pick the possibility that benefits the player the most. So if I threw this red down, if I'm too far to the right, it'll hit this tile and it'll miss this red entirely, which feels bad. Give me a green. Give me a green. Give me a green. Give me a green, bro. Hurry up. Give me a green. Bro. It's the next one, guaranteed. What? Give me a green. Thank you. So if I'm here and I throw it like this, it misses because it rounds left instead of right. So I need it to check both possibilities when that happens. It might be easier. It actually, maybe it is easier. Yeah, it is easier than I think. Okay, to be fair, what if it's like this? How do I do this? It's like this and this. Notice how hard this is, because I want this to round right, but it's random in this spot. I believe it's random. In this spot, it should round right, but in order to do that, I need to know how many blue blocks it will do, right? So I have to do the whole connecting thing to check which one is bigger. But honestly, for this case, maybe I could just do random and like not care. Honestly, I could just do closer. Yeah, that'd be easier. So just check up, down, left, right. If you do detect, that's a good. And if both sides are good, just do which one's closer. Maybe that works. Okay, maybe it is easier. Yeah, just do closer in that case, instead of trying to do which benefits the player more. Yeah, that's probably better. In that case, because in that case, it's close enough. Wait, activate both? Honestly, like that's not even that. That's kind of a. I kind of mess with that idea. It's not even that bad. I kind of mess with it. That does lead to some weird edge cases. Like, in that case, you want to throw in between because then you get twice as many activated tiles, which I kind of don't like. Actually, I kind of don't like, but I do like the idea of just like giga benefiting the player. But that does lead to that issue, which I don't like. But that's an interesting idea. Yeah, you're probably right. No, closer matter what? Kind of, but I want some leniency, you know? Just a little. When you're directly in between, it is basically random which side it goes. So in that case, for a tiny sliver in between, I want it to round to which benefits the player, you know? I think that's better. There's just so many times where I'll have a stack like this, and it'll be two different colors on the top. Let me get a yellow. I'll have a stack like this and I throw a bomb and it'll land basically in between, but which side, like that, you know what I mean? In there, I want it to do the correction. Maybe not that, maybe if it's like closer. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? Like, if I was literally a pixel to the left there, it would have rounded the other way. And that feels pretty bad, which I don't like. Just game feel stuff. When it blows up both. Blowing up both is a funny answer, but I don't think it's correct. Or not correct. There's no correct answer, but I don't think it's the answer I'm looking for. That is a funny answer. I do like that answer. Just blow up both, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah, if it's right in the middle, it's literally random. So I might as well favor the player. That's just how good game feel is, you know? That's how you get good game feel. But then I do too much, and all my games feel kind of sloppy because of that. Ooh, I got tech! Oh, that feels good! That feels good. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. That's what I'm thinking right now. Will I make the collision radius bigger without always hit the right color? No, it's distance to center point. So the size of the collision doesn't matter. Why did your first message not send? I've been seeing people get that. I wonder why. Have it explode all the same colors at once. The nuclear option? I do like the nuclear option. It is funny. But I do think I want some precision to it. So you still have to like aim in the general area, right? I feel like if it's like that, then you just like throw things in the vague area the colors are. Is it me saying blow up? All the same colors at once? Did my first message not send? Is it me saying blow up? Can you not say that? We're not at an airport. Why? This is YouTube, not an airport. Why can't you say blow up? Say it again. Say it again. Oh my god. Is this actually an airport? Where are we flying to, guys? It worked that time. I guess. Damn, does it think we're terrorists or something? Just say in Minecraft next time. We're gonna blow it up in Minecraft. In Minecraft. In Minecraft, guys. In Minecraft. Okay, a combo system. Combo system. I have to make the combo system actually work. Dude, we did it in Minecraft. I have a bomb strapped to my chest in Minecraft. Because of the question mark. Hello, Oinky Doodle. I know you. I recognize you. You. What am I doing? Yeah, combo timer. Where's the combo timer thing? It should be ish. Both specifically. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Ba-bum-bum. So now bombs spawn slower unless I get a sick combo. And once I get a sick combo, I get more time and more bombs in Minecraft. That's literally nothing. Okay, I have to do it times like... I'd be down, man. I'd be down. I mean, like, people know me from game dev, so I want to stream game dev because that's what people expect out of me. But I do, in the future, I do kind of just want to stream TFT. Because, like, I just wanted to, like, stream the stuff I like doing. Because I like streaming. Streaming is so fun. I like doing things and having people to talk to. It's really fun. Yeah, I probably should do that next. Limit test it. So this is a break of 4. This gives me nothing. Okay, a break of 4 should initiate a combo. So I think I need more base timer. Let's make base timer like 1 second guaranteed. So you always, no matter what, breaking should always give you a second. Yes. Yes. And it takes that many seconds to get a new bomb. So if anything, it should be like 80 times 10? Yeah, no, it should be like times 12 or something. I'm guesstimating the numbers right now. But a break of 4 should let me get a new one, right? We can all agree on that. So if I break the thing to the left, does that give me a new one? It does, but I have like no time to work with it. Nice. Combo count of 2. I'm at 3. I still have time? Okay, this feels good. This feels good. I like this. I lost it. Lost it there. Okay, it's a bit... I think less should be in the mult. More should just be in the thing. You know what I mean? Let's probably go down to like 8 times a hunjo. Why is there 0.6? Where? 0.60? I don't know. Oh, it's because it's score bar times temp mult. Let's get rid of temp mult so it's an even number. In that case, let's put it back to 10. You can make combos harder with fatigue. Yeah. He sees the vision. He sees. Oh, it's because times it. This is what your score is. It gets times by the multiplier. He sees the vision. He sees the vision. Also, I want bombs to spawn instantly. Or in general, I want bombs to spawn faster with more fall time. So let's shave 20 frames off this. No, let's shave 40 frames off this. And then let's increase the block fall creates fall timer plus 40. I believe that's correct. I use Game Maker! Game Maker, baby! I love Game Maker. All my homies love Game Maker. Let's raise this a bit. Okay, let's see if this works. Comboing. Now the problem is I need the combo to like keep going, or not keep going indefinitely. Like playing the game shouldn't just give you infinite combo, you know what I mean? Like it should be possible to drop the combo like that, which I do like. That feels nice. You know what? This kind of feels nice. This kind of feels nice. This feels nice. Does it? It's a little complicated though. I don't know if juicing the complexity of the game's a good idea. Plus, I'm still rewarded for doing ones. Let's remove the combo timer. So what dissipates a combo is doing a break of less than 3, I think. Fun watching Godot fanboy? I want to learn Godot. I know a little bit, but not enough, I'd say. Okay, let's change the rules. No combo timer anymore. Definitely would be the combo timer increases more at lower difficulties. Yeah, something like that. Let's go back to block. Man, POW timer, increase that 60. What's the thing I want? The thing I want is I want the... What's the thing I want again? Oh, yeah, no combo timer anymore. Combo timer dead to me. So static 20 plus 20, bro, you cannot catch me doing math. I'm never doing math. Dude, I don't want to do math, okay? I don't want to think. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not gonna lag the game, okay? What am I doing? Yeah. I know what I'm doing now. So instead of the combo timer, no combo timer. Combo timer is dead to me. Now it's. I do. That's the best part. I can instantly make a calculator whenever I want, and I'm still not using it to do simple math. Don't make fun of me, okay? Don't make. Like 21st for calculation. I'm speedrunning, guys. I'm speedrunning. Doing math slows you down. Speedrunning. If temp score var is less than a number, your combo gets reset to 0. Is less than 3? Let's try that. 2? So you get more bombs, but in exchange, if you use a bomb improperly, you lose your combo. I think that's it. Draw. You get out of here, combo timer. You don't exist in you. I don't like the timer. I don't know. I think if I tuned it correctly, I can make the timer work. But the timer, oh my god, dude. I've been programming for hours, okay? Let me have this. My brain power is very low right now. Let's test if this works. If I whiff this, it should break my combo, right? Yes, it does. Nice. Let me have this. 3, 4. What? Why are you going up? I made a pixel version of the profile picture in Discord. Oh, thank you. Let me see. Dude, that's me. That's me for real, for real. Sick. If I don't finish my essay in time, I'll finish my damn essay later, okay? I got time. I got time. If temp score var equals temp score var less than showed underscore. Hello? Why isn't this working? $22 viewers! Yeah! I had more when I was playing the game. That's okay. I gotta make progress in the game. I'm pretty... 5. So it's always +1 because it counts the bomb itself. 3. 3. So it's just if you are greater than... If you were... Yeah. So you need to do breaks of 3 in order to increase your combo counter. Any break less, it won't count, right? So that's 3. And that's 2, so that breaks my combo. I like that, I like that. Should that be how it works? Maybe it should be 4. Maybe it should be 4. 4 is hard. Yeah, 4 is hard. Let's do that. Let's do that. So you need to have 4 blocks. It's technically not 4. No, my combo! That breaks my combo! Eh! Check the Discord. Viewers, most people don't even break 3. Dude. It feels good, man. It feels good. When is essay gonna be? You can make polls on Discord? Dude, shut up. God damn it. Oh my god. Next year? God damn it, guys. Making fun of me. No! The music! Why did I close that tab? What have I done? No, I've ruined it. Playlist. Music. Not that song. I've listened to that song too many times. This one? Sure. Got the music back. I fixed it. Let's see if this game's fun now. I don't know how I feel about bombs scaling with Let me fix something first. When you make a POW, you add the colors to the bag and then you shuffle the bag. If the first color... Where Discord? Yeah, it's a Polywog speedrunning Discord. I'll have to rename it. If DS list size color bag greater than equals 0, DS list delete color bag 0. If the bag be empty, then what? Where can you find the Discord? Where was the link for it again? No. How do I make a link for it? How do I make a... Invite people, edit invite link, generate new link. Dude, I literally don't know how. I literally don't know how. I don't know how to invite people. I'm so sorry. I genuinely have no idea. Var equals DLSS find value. If. Oh, leave streamer mode on Discord. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let me try that. I don't know how to leave streamer mode. I'll figure that out later. I'll figure it out tomorrow. If DS list find value the top equals this color, shuffle the list. There we go. There we go. So you should never get two colors of the same time at the top. Let's see. Dude, I'm not good with technology. I can't figure it out. I can't. My combo! My combo! Okay, no two colors spawning at the same time feels pretty good. I like that. That breaks my combo? Boys, nice stream. Oh, have a good day, man. Have a good day. Boomer programmer. I'm not old. I'm not old. Don't make fun of me. Now the bombs have normal falling speed at least. Before they were like Olimar's Final Smash. Yeah, the bombs, like, I mean, they fall slower. Before you pick them up, they fall slower now, which I like. I like a lot. Getting high combo feels pretty hard. Should getting high combo feel easy though? I feel like it shouldn't. I want it to feel like Tetris combo, where it's impossible to go infinite. Like, you have to work for the combo, and it doesn't go on forever, you know? I like that about Tetris combo. Yo, I got a combo of 5? So for combo, you want... Dude, it's impossible to combo. I only have 2 greens. So I lose my combo. Oh, that's frustrating. It's not like it does anything good. It's just such a troll move. Control Shift V is such a troll move for... Enable disable streamer... Oh, that's how you enable disable streamer mode? I didn't see that message, sorry. Maybe because multiplicator's higher because of the difficulty? Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of tuning the game needs. But I do think this is the right direction. Like, it needs some kind of thing to focus on other than not dying. Because once you focus on not dying, all you do is, like, you make pretty small breaks. And I think a way to change the spawn rate of the bomb feels really good. Oh, I'm losing my combo again. Okay, I'm gonna buff up throw. I think up throw should be a touch stronger. Try on Discord. Okay, so what is it? What is it? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, guys. Alt Shift plus W. I got this. I got this. Alt Shift W. Am I in streamer mode? It didn't work. Wait, Control Alt Shift. Where's Control on my keyboard? Okay, I have a split keyboard. This is really embarrassing. I have a split keyboard, right? And because of that, my control scheme is messed up. Gun to head, I don't know where Alt is on my keyboard. Or not Alt, I don't know where Control is on my keyboard. I never press that button. I have a split keyboard. I have a split keyboard. I legitimately don't know where Control is, and my keyboard is kind of messed up, and it doesn't have the things printed on the keys. I legitimately don't know where Control is. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I don't know where Control is. I'm not joking. I don't know where Control is. I don't know. I actually don't know. I actually don't know. I actually don't know. I do need to find Control. I'll find it. I'll find it next time. Like I have to go on the Ergodox website to change my control binds. And it should be in the bottom left. I have a split keyboard. It's not there. I guarantee you it's not there. Blow shift to Windows. It's not there. I guarantee you it's not there. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Yeah, it just says hidden text when you copy it in streamer mode, I guess, which is interesting. I like the slow falling block a lot. That feels really good. My one issue with the combo system is that it discourages you from making big breaks, which I like, which I don't like. Because then you can't combo. Should comboing be a hidden feature then? It should be hard. It should be hard, but more impactful. Oh, that's how it should work. Yeah. That's how it should work. That should work. So comboing should be more impactful. Your score should also be times your combo, but in exchange, comboing should require like 6. No, 5. Hidden use copy button moment. That needs Control V. Streamer mode sucks. Yeah, I don't know how to turn this off. I'll figure it out later. Hidden copy mode. God damn it. So now combo is hard. But now combo's also more impactful in exchange. Is that a good idea? Maybe. I hope it's a good idea. Okay, should it be 4 then? Combo. Okay, 100%. Combo timer is dead to me. I think combo timer is stupid. We can all agree on that, right? You need the privilege to invite people? Can I just give you that? What's mod view? Mod permissions? I don't think I should give you mod permissions. Timeout, ban, kick, message? I can ban people? Oh yeah, I'm a mod now. Okay, this is gonna sound weird. In all my fan servers, I was never a moderator because I was lazy and I just didn't want to do. I didn't know how, so they never made me a moderator in the GurQuest server. I've never seen that screen before to ban people. Oh my god, that's cool, dude! I can ban people. I feel powerful, dude. I feel imposing. I've never needed to ban people. It's just never happened. So like I never had mod privileges. I never opened that screen. And I was like, hey guys. So whenever I needed, the one time we had a bot join the server, I was like, hey moderator, can you ban that guy? And they did, and it felt good. Okay. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like when I ask the moderator to ban someone, I feel like a king asking my knights to ban that guy. But when I have to do it, I'm the squire. I'm the peasant. It's different, okay? It feels better. It feels better. It's so stupid. Okay, it hits different. Because but like now in this server I have moderator privileges, so I should probably use them. Even though I don't know how. Mods! Ban that guy! Unironically, I done it. Oh my god. Yeah, back in like 2 hours? I probably won't stream that long, but it was good seeing you, man. It was good seeing you, man. Oh my god. Mods, ban him. And then all the moderators like ban the guy, and he gets banned all over him. Oh, I can keep the combo like that. Wait, what? That was 5. Is it 6? Ugh, no, it should be 4. Okay, let's try it with the combo system. The combo system gives you an insane amount of points, so I will probably break my record. Oh, actually, before I do that, player, create. Okay, here's a problem with the game. Summon thy banhammer. If I make these, right? Notice how, oh, whoopsies. Notice how I can like get my foot stuck, like right there. I can get stuck inside the thing because of the leniency feature, because you can vault up blocks, right? So I need to make it so that create is inside equals 0. By the way, if you don't combo, you don't get points at the moment. Oh yeah, because it's 0, right? Whoopsies. +1. Whoopsies. Make a max combo stat. Max combo stat? I will do that. That is cool. But I will do that after fixing this bug. Step event. Free. So where's inside? If yeah. You. Good thing I'm here. Yeah. Is inside equals 0. Var is in wall 2 equals, I don't know, man. Is in wall instance Instance place. Place. You. If is in wall 2 does not equal no one. No one. If is inside. If it is in wall 2 does not equal. Don't make fun of my code. Don't make it. This code is really bad. This code is really bad. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. If is inside. Where am I? I should be up here. If is inside equals 1 and not place meeting obj wall -4. Just in general. If place meeting. What is this? Game looking more fun when... is game deving more fun when streaming? I like streaming in general at this point. I don't know if it's more fun though. I enjoy streaming. I just like streaming a lot. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. 2 enchiladas, a burrito, 3 tacos, bowl of nachos, bowl of guacamole. What? Who is Vim? Code ain't bad if it works. Yeah. So far I'm just coding easy stuff, so it's nice. It's nice to do it on stream. If x y, if not place meeting, I need you. Give me that. And is in wall 2 does not equal no one. Is in wall 2. If does not equal no one, is inside equals 1, y minus equals. This is really stupid. You guys are gonna make fun of my code. Don't make fun of my code. Don't. This is really bad, but this will work. This is really bad. How do you know the both Sonic and Shadow called guacamole guac? I do know that. I did not know that. Sorry. I don't know. The guac. Minus equal 1, I believe. This should work. So now if my feet... Now if my feet are inside the floor, I should kick out. But not a lot, just a little bit. Let's do 5. Yeah, let's do 5. If my feet are inside the floor, I should kick out. How do I test this? This feels awful. Why is it doing that? Why am I sticky? Why am I sticky? You guys see that, right? Why am I sticky? Why am I sticky? What causes that? Is it you? If the bomb touches nothing, because the bomb is a block, it's just how the game is coded. I should probably... It's clear that it's annoying enough that I should fix that. But it's because the bomb itself is a block, like literally, programming-wise. And I could fix that, but I am lazy. I am lazy. Am I not sticky anymore? I am no longer sticky. I fixed it. I had it backwards. Nice. I am no longer sticky. This should work. Yeah, I mean, I should fix it. I will fix it, but lazy. It's just one of those things where it's like, if the game's not fun, it's not going to be because the points are off by 1 point. You know what I mean? There's like big issues I need to fix with the game. Oh, my feet are still stuck in the floor. Look, look, my feet are in the floor. Come on. 10? Come on, come on. How big is the up leniency? Up leniency is ba-ba-bung, ba-ba-blee. Where is it? Where is it? What's lean? 20? Damn, it's 20? Damn. I did not know the vaulting leniency was 20. This looks like a good YouTube Shorts game. That's what I was hoping. I wanted a game that's fun to watch. It's a very interesting restriction that I've not thought about with my other games. And I think it's very interesting to think about, personally. Okay, if I vault... Yeah! It only rounds me up to... It only rounds me up to... Why is it not rounding me up? If not place meeting and place meeting. Yeah, there we go. So it is backwards. For sure. This dev will become the next Suika game. I hope it does. I mean, it doesn't have to be. I just want to make something that's small, gets the job done. Just something nice, you know? Eh? Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? I am... Wait, so... In my position, I am touching the block, right? I am touching the block. And if I go up, I am... If you're not touching the block above me... Should I just do +1? Should I just do +1? Should I just... Do you expect the code to work? How do you expect the code to work? If my foot is inside the block, it should kick me out. That's what I want. See here? My feet is inside the block. It is not kicking me out. So it should just be... If you are inside the wall... I see the issue. Never mind. I see the issue. Whoopsies. 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 Yeah, I messed up. Still not working, eh? Why? If you are touching a wall, but not touching... Let's get rid of is inside. I think I just don't need is inside at this point. It's working! See that? See that? It kicks me out. You see it there. You see it there. Where I get inside of it and it just starts like levitating me. But if I'm digging and I'm inside, aha! Also, one thing I want to do, if I'm inside, I want to move slower because I want to feel like I'm digging through. You know what I mean? You. If. Wait, what? Wall collision? No, no, no. Where am I? You. If is inside equals 0, you were not inside, use normal movement. Otherwise, I want movement that's a bit more snappy. Someone will use the... How are you going to do the 2D, 3D infinite jump glitch? I don't know. This is... it's bad, but it's going to work, okay? I know it's bad, but it's going to work. Whatever, man. It's gonna work. And that's all that matters. How are you copy and pasting? Control C, Control V. Control... Ah! That is control! That is control! Wait, that is control! You're right! Wait, that is... Oh, I'm so stupid! Wait, so what was the command again? What was the command again? It was... No, I'm so dumb. My brain. Oh, my brain is small. Oh my god. Oh. Control. Okay, Control, Shift, Alt, W. Oh my god. Control, Shift, Alt, W. W. Chats be a lot. What the fuck was that? Chats can be a lot. Relentless Wumpus? What did you guys make me do? Chat can be a lot. Relaxed with Wumpus? The fuck is this? Control Shift Alt W. Huh? What the fuck is this? Okay. Alright. Discord settings, streamer mode, it's at the bottom. Alright. Settings. Streamer mode. Discord settings, streamer mode, it's at the bottom. What? Oh, streamer mode, I see it. Enable streamer mode, turn that off. We're done. Polywog. Invite people. Finally, oh my god. Here's the damn Discord link. That took so long. Let me turn streamer mode back on just in case. Streamer mode, turn that on. You guys can't see my information. Dude! Oh, my friend got Celestial and Guilty Gear! I got hidden, use copy button. That's my boy! He got Celestial? Oh my god! Where's Control? I don't know where Control was, man. I'm sorry. Okay. Back to work. Let's just play the game. I think I'm just down to just play the game again. Let's get another run. Let's start getting a combo. Give me that. Boom. We hit the boom. So in order to keep my combo, I just hold this bomb? That's funny. Should there be a way to get rid of bombs? I think there should, right? Maybe if you throw them against a wall and get a combo of 0? Nah. There should be a way to get rid of bombs. So I can't grief my combo, right? Is that a good idea, though? I think that's funny. Like, my gut knows that's a funny change. So I should have it. Oh my god. My gut knows that change would be really cool. One bomb oh, like in Tetris! Yeah! We're adding that. Okay, how should it work? So you get to hold one. And you can just maybe you can just hold any block. Yeah, you can hold any block in the game. So the idea is that if a bomb is gonna grief your combo, you can hold it instead, and then try to save it for another thing. Oh, that's kind of sick. Oh, I need to change the thing. Where's my text? You. All right, block rounding, still need. Combo thing done. Mogus wires, SA. Block storage. Caps locks. Block storage, okay. Yeah. So, because you saw before how like I had to juggle 2 bombs in order to not break my combo. But then we can have a risk reward thing where you try to play for combos, but sometimes you just need to clear blocks. Make the button control. No, I'm making it shift. I'm making it shift so people can get sticky keys. By the way, the bombs are not symmetrical. Wait, what? The bombs are not symmetrical to clip into the block. Are they? It's an even number. It's an even number. Is it even this way? It's symmetrical, I think. Or I meant the layout. Now the floor collision is fixed. What about the max combo stat? Wait, was it broken? Wait, was it broken? I don't remember. I don't. I can. Oh yeah, they do that. They do that. The collision is kind of fucked for bombs. Or is it fucked? It's intentional. It's intentional. I don't know if it's good. I kind of get what you mean. Like how that phases through. It's like Reinhardt, where the hitbox is just a tiny circle in the bottom, so that way it can clip through edges. It's a game feel thing. I don't know if it's correct. I feel like it is. I feel like it is. It's better for game feel, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's not though. Hard to say. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for pointing that out. Forces me to think about it more. Line is, it looks wrong. Oh, do you mean the circle thing? Yeah, the circle's an odd number, so let me just get rid of the circle thing. Draw, circle, by. I believe this circle is off-center, right? But the thing itself should be centered. It's just the circle that was off-centered, right? This is centered. Yeah. Yeah, that's centered. Is it centered? Oh, you know what it is? It's because I have to round the sizes, so it's rounding off pixels. Oh, yeah, well, I can't fix that. I can't fix that. I'm sorry, man. Sorry, I can't fix it. No, I meant in the sense of them clipping through the block. You mean this thing? Like this? Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I think it's fine. I think it's fine, dude. Yeah, I'll be fine. It feels good. That's all that matters. Game feel is all that matters. Yeah. He'll be fine. Oopsies. They were clipped into the floor? Were there bombs in the floor? They kind of explode. I'm confused. I'm confused. Alright. New run. I'll keep it centered for you guys. I'll just play for now. 1, 2. Oh, storage is such a good idea. I'm definitely gonna do storage now. Oh, I'm tired. Oh my god. I think my throat's getting sore. In a line where it's... halfway through the block? Yeah, it's a little weird, but I'm just gonna leave it because that's how it is right now. But I kind of get what you mean, where like it probably should always push to the side, right? Is that what you mean? Because right now, does it bias to the left? Let's check. Oh, it's like 1 pixel off. Is that what you mean? Yeah. Oh, that is weird. Because it's 1 pixel off, it rounds one way or the other. So in this case it breaks, but in this case it won't break. It'll fall. Oh my god, that is weird. That is weird. The pixel gaps between blocks? That's because the blocks are the wrong size, but I can't fix that. That's okay. That's okay. Do I like that? Hard to say. No, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't know, man. Does make more sense to have odd number of columns. Yeah. I'll figure it out. I think I'll make it so that it does fall through both times. I feel like that makes more sense, right? Because it's literally 1 pixel difference that's making it do one or the other. And it shouldn't be like that. Oh, that's so weird how I can do that. No, I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. That is weird. That is very weird. I haven't played a run in a while. Just finish a run real quick. With the new changes, see how they feel. Block spawns, so it's not... That'd be nice. Some sort of like visual indicator when the next block is coming. I'd like that. Like Tetris, what's the next color? Yeah, I think an indicator like that would be nice. And that'd be really nice. Just to, like, more time to know what the next color is so I can plan around it is good. Maintaining a high combo is impossible. Maybe that's why I need the storage system. That'll definitely help. Ah, that was bad, that was bad, that was bad, that was bad, that was bad. You can get a higher score by fixing... Yeah, I mean... I kind of just want to play the game. I spent so much time... Okay, I spent all this time working on the game, actually adding features, but I could be playing the game, my guy. Gotta be playing the game. The color is... Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, I was gonna buff up throw. I remember that. Specifically up throw. Up throw doesn't throw high enough. I'll do that later though. Yeah. I just want more time after up throw. Bro, I am playing. I am playing the game. 24 hours. Yeah, I think... I don't know. Ooh, that's weird. You see that? I'm trying to pick up the red, but because I'm too low, I'm picking up the yellow. I don't like that. I'll fix that later. I just want to see, because I added the new features. I want to just like get a feel for what's wrong with the game before I add more. Not wrong, just like what the game needs, you know? What the game can need. That feels so good. That feels so good. The double replace. Highlight section for what you're gonna pick up. I think that might be impossible because the game doesn't know where you're looking. I guess because it's a Binding of Isaac controls, where it's arrow keys to pick. So the game kind of can't know that. I do like more feedback for the player is nice though. There is something there with that change that I like. That was so bad. That did nothing. That pink got in the way. Ah, come on. Block rounding now. I'll get to it. I'm enjoying the game. You should add. I heard that in like the low tier god thunder thing. Oh, why did it do that? Oh, it did the rounding thing again. Why did it do it that time? That was weird. The graphics? Yeah. Go optimize your graphics, man. That's good. I hate when they get in that checkerboard pattern and they don't break properly. Why didn't you? I'm making the game, bro. I got time. Okay, I'm liking this more lax pace compared to before. I feel like it's easier to read chat now, which I like. I really want this game to be able to read chat. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, come on. Pause button before. Yeah, the pause button when there's too much text to read. I could always just pause to read it, which is nice. I hope people don't abuse the pause button though, to like, not cheat, but look at the screen more than they should. I get to plan things out. I like the feeling of doing everything on the fly and having to like do everything fast, you know? Frame step pausing. Because you know how I added the cascading falling feature? I think it's screwing me over sometimes where the blocks don't fall into place fast enough and it causes them to do some jank I don't like. That was sick. That was sick. Ah! Got it, got it. It's okay, it's okay. No! What the heck? No! Oh god, oh god. I need a yellow. I need a yellow. Nice! Okay, got my combo. Now give me anything but purple. Are you serious? My combo! That was so unlucky, dude. Post-processing grayscale would be sick on the pause button. 3-second unpause timer. Unpause timer would be cool too, yeah. I just like, I don't know. I don't like abusing pausing. I think it's weird. You're a genius, yeah. Make everything same gray color. Pause fully just saturates you. Yeah. I don't know. There's a lot of small things that we gotta figure out with the game. But it's good to know the foundation is good. Also, you get score way faster now. I think combos are kinda broken. Kinda broken in a bad way. Where they dictate your decision making more than they should. I like the big range, that feels good. Fatigue's not fast enough though. Maybe the gray blocks is. I probably should add the gray blocks. The fatigue blocks. I think like forcing the player to be in a spot where they're weak is good for the game. Not weak, you know what I mean? Like disadvantaged. It's probably good for the game. Like I'm literally out clearing everything right now. Normally, combo will only punish you if you mess up like one block. Yeah. I kind of agree with that, Because like a combo is binary. It's just do any clear greater than 4. But it'd be nice if combos cared about the amounts you have, you know? I think that'd be good for the game. So you're still always rewarded for making big clears. I think that's like one of the core things. Like you should always be rewarded for making big clears. Something like that. Oh, it's getting faster. It's getting faster. I like this. "24 hours? Damn, been working on this for 24 hours now. I think a lot of it though was streaming. Just streaming the playing the game. 24 hour Happy New Year! Yeah. I don't know. I think one problem I have is like the point of this hypothetical was to see how long it takes to make a game. Then I spent all my time streaming playing the game instead of making it. But I do like playing the game, and you gotta play the game in order to make it, so maybe it's not too bad. I really like the slower falling bombs. It feels really good. Steam release when? Game's basically done? I need arts. I gotta figure out the artist situation first. Once I figure that out situation, I'll have a clear date. Until then, the game will just be in this state of just like close to done, and I'll just polish it, you know? But yeah, I'm in the DMs with a few people trying to figure out an art situation. I'm in the DMs. Isn't done yet. Yes. Yeah, I will probably end stream sooner rather than later because of my it is due soon and I don't want to fail the class. The essay is getting kind of close to the deadline, even for my tastes. Oh god. Combo grace, if you have a combo like 5 or higher mess up once, something like that'd be cool. Yeah, I'm gonna experiment with the hold mechanic first. Oh god, fatigue. I'm gonna experiment the hold mechanic first before adding something like that, because I really like the idea of the hold mechanic. I think it'd be really good to be able to hold bombs I need. That was cool. Ah, that was cooler in my head. I thought that'd work. That's okay. Dude, every time I say that was cooler in my head, I just think of like the Fell for It Again award thing. Fell for It Again award. Fell for it again. I can't fall fast enough. Should I have fast falling to this game? Nah, doesn't need it. Interesting though. Be interesting to have more mobility in that direction. I couldn't get there in time. I'll have to pause. Oh, what? That's why Tower Essays, you finish it by this game with like multiple characters. I do want the multiple characters. It'd be cool. It'd be cool. And let's say it was the intro by the, what was the VTuber called again you mentioned before? Bibu! Koseki Bibu. Fast falling. Fall fasting instead of fast falling? Did you have a special cinematic? Breaking 10 blocks more at the same time, my honest opinion? Yeah, like in Candy Crush, where they combine into like the super thing that like is the nut. I do like those kinds of mechanics. That is cool. I'd be down for that. I'd be down for that. Crap. Give me yellow. I didn't get yellow. I couldn't get that. Oh, come on. I thought I could. Koseki Biju. Yeah, Bibu. Biju. People call her that. It's weird. It's cool. I'm thinking the blocks will be the pebbles, which is like her fan thing. And then the pebbles will have like eyes and stuff. They'll be colored. Yeah, she looks like a fairy. She's cool. She kind of does. She kind of does. She definitely does have that energy. Oh god, I looked away. Now I'm gonna die. Oh no. Man. But yeah, I've been watching her since she debuted, and I've been a fan. So I was like, I'll make fan games. Fan games are cool. Am I dead? I misplayed. I think I'm dead now. Never mind, not dead yet. Give me a green. Okay, I'm alive. Barely, but I am. I'm alive. I'm alive. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! No, I hate that bug. I'm dead. The bug where it pushes into the block and insta destroys it. Oh my god. You can hear the disappointment. She a crystal gem. Yeah, she's a rock. That was my high score though. 10k. 10,065. Let's write that down. 10,065. Draw. Let's change the score. Is that 10,065? 1, 2, 3. No, it's one too many, right? Yeah, there we go. Maybe set the bombs to have a chance based on the majority of blocks on screen. I kind of like random. No, not random. It's a cycle. I really do. Working high score. It's actually kind of tricky to make a working high score, which is why I haven't been doing it. Bro, I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Dude, working high score is actually annoying. It's actually annoying to program, trust. Trust. It's annoying, and I don't wanna. I'm not eating my medicine. I'd rather manually input the high score every time. Number, yeah, but then you have to like memorize where the number is and like JSON files. Ugh. JSON files are annoying. Just. And like, I could be doing that, or I can make the game more fun. And I love making the game more fun. I say make the game more fun, like I'm actually programming, and I'm not just playing the video game. So excited. Any art though. I have another person I could talk to. I DM'd 2 artists on Twitter. I'm trying to see if any of them respond. Okay, I have this problem where because Elmo is a rat dick, I shouldn't say that. Is annoying and mean. He's a big meanie. You need Twitter. You need Twitter verification to talk to people who are too big. So I'm DMing artists to try to get one to work with. And I can't do that because I'm not verified on Twitter. Oh my god, Elon. It's so annoying. Of course he'd add a feature like that. So I can't do that. I can't find art. It does! But I'm lazy! I don't want to use the Game Maker built-in one. Does it have built-in high score? Does it work how I think it does? I don't think it does. I think it like... There's already a feature for it. But I'll get to it. I'll get to it, man. I'll get to it. I'm busy gaming, dude. Don't talk to me when I'm gaming. Oh, Elon. Yeah, it's annoying. Like I'm at the point where I'm emailing people. I'm emailing? Dude, I'm old. I'm using email unironically. And I have to like be like, oh god, dude. I don't even know how to email people because I'm young. But I have to because I have to DM people if I want to work with them. But Elmo made it stupid. Oh my god, I hate this guy. Can't stand this guy, man. Can't stand this guy. Actually making my life so much harder for no reason. GameMaker game engine? How does it work? What programming? It uses GameMaker language, which is their own Goo Goo Gaga language. It's really easy. So if you're new to programming, I recommend GameMaker because like being carried is awesome. And I love being carried. God, being carried is the best. Dude, thinking is the worst. GML is GameMaker language. I think that's what it stands for. Yeah, GML is Game Maker language, GML. Emailing is peak? emailing is good, but like I feel like emailing doesn't work well a lot of the time. Is it peak? It's okay. It's not peak. I'm not. This shit is not peak. I refuse to say emailing is peak, dude. Nah, it's like okay. I just like DMing more because like if I email someone, they don't know who I am. If I DM someone, they like, who am I? Just look at my profile. It's right there, so they can instantly know who I am. And I do feel like this is something as like a content creator, emails scare me because whenever someone gets hacked, it's because they checked their email and they clicked a random ass link, right? And like it scares me that my email just has links that are like pipe bombs. Like there are pipe bombs in my email that if I click them, they just hack my account and I lose everything. Like that's terrifying. I hate that. And because of that, what? Wait, did you guys see that? Did I body block it or something? How did that happen? I've never seen that before. That's so weird. What? Do I count as a block? No, I don't. Scratch with a primitive version of Python? There is the built-in block stuff, but it's trash. Don't touch it. It's honestly just Python. It's just Python. It's just Python with all the, like the easy features that make game design easy. Game Maker good. Game Maker good. Game Maker good, man. It's just Python. It's literally just Python. But Python good. And because Game Maker Python, Game Maker good, right? I have a list we can use to send out studies of hundreds of students. My game study got sent to all engineering, math, and physics. Is that a... Dude, that'd make me so nervous if it got sent to everyone. Oh my god. That's kind of crazy. That sounds sick though. That sounds sick. Hey. Frick. Oh, look at this. Oh! The nut! Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, it's terrifying but super useful for free promotion. The nut just busted. Dude, it's the nut buster. Okay, I am liking this. I think the score system is too exponential, but I do like it being exponential. It feels really good that the score can just go crazy if you get a high enough combo. I really like that. That feels good. That feels good. Oh, man. YouTube says you're playing Tetris? It's because I say Tetris a lot, so it transcribed it. I think it's because of that. Because I've been saying Tetris a lot. It just like gets what you're saying in the transcription. I believe that's how it works. I do be playing Tetris. It's just not Tetris. It's Block Tetris. Make-tris. If we're still calling it that, assuming it's not a fan game. Which I want it to be. Come on. Frick. Ah! Gotta stop doing that. Maybe it's because the name of the stream users play Tetris. Yeah, the combo's a bit more lenient, be honesty, perfect balance, reward, and fairness. Yeah, I think that's what I really think the what's it called will do. The hold mechanic will do, because it'll make it easier to like save your combo instead of just getting screwed sometimes. Yeah. Though Among Us wires won't be too hard. Oh no, that's just sprites. That's literally just art. I will get to it. Yeah. I feel like easy stuff is easy to like push away because like I know I could do it like instantly, so I'm just lazy. I'm tired and like I be streaming, dude. I be streaming. Bro, I could be streaming. It's the easy stuff that gets me. Oh, that was sick! That was sick! Dude, there's so much tech in this game. Like, not tech, but like mechanical skill in this game. I really like it. This is what it feels like to be good at Tetris. Dude, because I always like Speed Tetris. Not NES Tetris, Speed Tetris. I always liked watching Speed Tetris. The problem is that I suck at it. So like, I can be good at Speed Tetris if I just make the game. So now I am good at Speed Tetris, because I made it. It's my... Wow, that was bad. I grabbed the wrong thing. What am I doing? I'm throwing. Dude, Speed Tetris is so sick though. I want to learn. I still want to learn it. You're drinking that purple. You're like LeBron. Makes so horrible. I did. Like I had a big combo and I took away the one piece that would make it work. Oh my god. Okay, it's nice I can read chat while playing though. I really like that. Because my one fear with this, because I do want this game to be like an endurance game that's good to stream. So if I can read chat, we're in the green. I'm drinking that purple. Shit. Tried. Don't even know what I was trying. Frick! I'm so bad! No! Oh my god, I'm so bad. What color was that? Am I colorblind? No! No! I didn't grab it! Frick! Dude, what color was that? I'm gonna make it 80% start from music. like Radical Highway Sonic Adventure 2? Ask me a question because like Tetris 90 has 3 phases to change music. We cool if like music would change based on. I do like that, yeah. We tank type beat? Reason to add a Mungus wire. Honestly, yeah. Kinda need it. I kinda need a Mungus wires. I just threw a blue straight. Damn, I'm dumb. I feel like when I really want a color, I'll just like pretend what I'm holding is the color I want, even though it's clearly not. And like I want it enough. I'll just decide I'm holding it. Oh no. Oh no, fatigue. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, the blocks going up screwed me over. Is that okay? I don't know actually. Doom music kicks in at the end. I do like the idea of dynamic music. That stuff's cool. There's a part in Part-Time UFO, which is like my special interest game now apparently, that you're like making this big tower, right? And as you get higher and higher, this cool thing happens where the music stops playing. Like the clouds obscure the music. You can't hear it anymore. And then once you break out of the clouds, you start hearing like new music as you get high enough. So first you hear like this happy, energetic music, and then you get the ominous clouds, and then you get you break free, and then it like goes even harder after, you know? I like that storytelling a lot through just the music. What? Oh my god, they were layered on top of each other? I don't like that. I'll fix that. Untrained. You know Puyo Puyo Final Boss? Puyo Puyo had a boss? Damn, I've never played Puyo Puyo. I mean, I played Puyo Puyo, but I've never played like an actual game of it. Damn, that's sick. They had a boss? Hell yeah, dude. Dina King Ultimate, Sound Crazy, Harbor Looms. You know Puyo Puyo Final Boss theme? That's some good ass boss music. I'll look into it. Untrained Demon King Ultimate Legend Puyo Puyo Fever. Dude, I love how it's like... I love how like self-aware they are, but like they know it's just Puyo Puyo, but they have to make it go hard. Because they know they'd be sick. This is pretty sick. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, this is bad, this is bad. Oh, okay, it's fine. Maybe I should have fast following for that case. Amogus from Pokemon. Amogus wires. Okay, Amogus wires, it's you know in Among Us when colorblind people couldn't play the wire minigame because the wires had colors and colorblind people can see them. This game has that problem, and what they did is they added sigils, not symbols, to the wires. So I need to do that. And I'm lazy because I like playing the game. I like playing the game, so... Okay, let me have this, okay? I'm at the point where I'm enjoying the game. And getting here takes a while, takes a lot of work. Let me have this, man. Let me have this, let me have this. It takes a lot of work to get to the stage of game design. Where you just like the game. Ah! Amogus wires. Everyone knows Amogus. Yeah, I don't know. Managing combo is a bit hard. I think the guy that said that the managing combos a bit too hard is right. Just a little too hard. I don't know if the storage system would fix it though, when I think about it. I mean, it's worth a shot, obviously, but also I just think the storage system is good for the game in general. But part of me is wondering if we need the like, you have to mess up twice in order to lose your combo. Which is what that one guy suggested. Someone else suggested, I think. Because right now my combo kind of just disappears all the time. Which I don't mind. I don't like the idea of the combo being infinite. So long as you don't mess up. I feel like it ending is okay. Dun, dun. Oh, colorblind friendly. Looks like Tetris, adding symbols. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Amogus from Pokemon. Funny name. Do more spriting. I mean, you make colors have different symbols like Kirby Superstar. Yeah, you should have tripping from Brawl. I'd make player require 4 to keep it up, but 3 or 4 diminishes a bit, so combo values would need to be like in the 10s. Yeah. It's hard to say what the exact design's supposed to look like, because I feel like there's multiple valid routes, you know? Like there's a world where it's like Tetris, where you set up a combo, you get like 3 combo, and that's it, you're done. You get like 3 or 4 at best. There's also a world where the combo is like something you juggle for the entire game, and then you drop it and you want to die. Something like that. Like both could work. Both could work. It's hard to say which one would be fit for this game though. Like which one does this game need? And a part of me thinks like a condition that punishes you that doesn't literally end the run is kind of interesting to me. As like a nice compromise between making the game harder and making the game, you know what I mean, easier, without making the game like harder to approach. Like more skill ceiling without increasing base difficulty. So the floor is the same, but the ceiling is higher. Which is something I kind of like about the juggling one. Hard to say. Hard to say. But in exchange, I think the juggling one leads to like a reset issue. Or if you mess up early, you kind of want to just reset. Hard to juggle everything. Hard to juggle everything. Like on one hand, I want to make systems multifaceted so they're well designed and the game is simpler and I get more depth per my complexity cost. On the other hand, making one mechanic accommodate so many different goals is hard and scary. Am I dead? Oh my god. Oh my god, that was close, that was close. That was way too close. That was way too close. Oh my god. Okay, fatigue's starting to kick in. This is getting way faster now. Oh, it's way faster now. How did I get a blue there? What? What did I grab? Whatever. Ah! No, I messed it up! No! Oh, I'm tilted, I'm tilted, I'm tilted. No, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Oh, I messed it up bad. Nah, give me a green! Bro. Bro. Bro! I'm tilted. Oh, I'm tilted. No! No! Come on! You're adding wave dashing? I do want to add wave dashing. I do. 11471. I do. 471. Wave dashing? I want to wait because like when the blocks are like whoopsies. When the blocks are like this, I want a way to like air dash. Not air dash, but like be able to wave land, because a lot of times I'll like down throw a block and I'll be way too high. I don't know if I can add because I already have WASD for and arrow keys for throwing. You hate latex? Are you allergic to latex? For movement, arrow keys. So my only other option is shift, and I kind of don't want to put it on shift. So I might add fast falling instead, where you can just double tap down to fall faster. Maybe just fast falling. Also add damn high score, please. For the love of God, it pains me. The writing language. Oh, I thought you had an allergy to latex, and I was like, dang, that sucks, man. Latex allergy. Alugi. Well, I think I'm tired. I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, for the combo score, like make combo decrease by number based on how many blocks space you connected. Like 4 decreases the combo by 4. That's interesting. That's interesting. Right, PDFs based on the like 4 decreases combo by 4, 3 decreases by 2, 2 decreases by 1, decreases by 3. Yeah. Essay stream time? I think I will go eat something because I'm hungry. I do be hungry. But yeah, performance-wise, this was the best stream I've ever done. Like, I got a lot of shit done. The game is a lot funner. Ton of people tuned in. It was great, guy. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry. But anyways, guys, I'm not streaming my damn essay. No. I gotta do it. I'm just gonna do it. It's fine. All right. Stop the timer. Stop streaming. Have a good day, everyone. Yeah.